First of all, I would like to say hello teachers and everyone. Today I'm reading about Toby the Little Turtle. Once upon a time, there was a little turtle named Toby. Toby lived by a cool blue pond with his friends, the frogs and the fish. Toby was a happy turtle, but the but he was very slow. When the frogs hopped fast and the fish swam quickly, Toby always came late. One day, a butterfly flew by and said, "Hello, Toby. Why are you so slow?" Toby smiled and said, "That's okay. I may be slow, but I always get there I'm going." The butterfly laughed and flew away. But when the sun went down, the butterfly couldn't find her home. She was lost. Toby saved her crying and said, "Don't worry, I'll help you." Step by step, Toby walked carefully through the grass until they found her flower home. The butterfly was so happy. "Thank you, Toby. You may be slow, but you are cute and strong," she said. Toby smiled proudly. From that day, everyone called him Toby the brave turtle. Thank you, teachers and everyone, for listening to me.